Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Z Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a USD payment link on PayStack without any stress. All you have to do is to watch this step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can create a USD payment link that you can send to any foreign customer that want to pay for your service online without any stress. If you have not yet watched my previous video on how you can add your USD account into your PayStack, kindly check the video on my playlist. And also, if you have not yet created an account with PayStack, you can as well check the video out on my playlist. You will be able to see how to create an account and how to add a payment how to add a USD payment method and stuff like that. You'll be able to watch those things before you can actually understand how to create a USD payment link without any stress. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayStack account. As you can see on the screen right here, this is my PayStack dashboard. I've done this thing and it's very much work for me, and I'm very sure you too can also apply the system to you or to your business online. One thing I like about PayStack is the fact that PayStack make it easy for you to get your fund in USD, provided that you are able to open a USD account without any stress. So let's see how you can create a payment link in USD without any stress. So the first thing you have to do when you successfully log into your PayStack account is to look for scroll down. Okay, you have to look for payment page right here. Click on payment page. So it's going to load up to another interface. Then it takes you to this particular page right here. So the next thing you have to do is to go to new page. So this is going to come up, and here you need to understand some points here. There are three options here: one-time payment, subscription payment, and product payment. What this simply means that create a simple page for your customers to pay you. This is just a one-time payment. Subscription payment give your customer to choose to type in the amount they want to pay you, and they are still going to pay you more and more. Then product payment, create a page to sell more or one or more products from your inventory. So you can choose the one that is related to the kind of business you want to do. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm choosing the first option here, which is one-time payments. So I'm going to click on that. So it's going to load up to another page. Okay, so you can see it right here. You have to name this a particular things you want to you can name it, depends on what you are trying to offer. So you need to name this thing a digital marketing training. Okay, you can enter your descriptions here. So this has to do with whatever you want to tell the prospective customer that want to pay you. Okay, so all right, so you can see I just type in what I want to tell my prospective customer. So there is a number of characters you can type. Once you are able to read the character, you will not be able to continue with whatever you want to type. Just make it brief and simple. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to come here where you see currency right here. You have to click on here and change it to USD. So when you change it to USD, any card currency that want to make payments through this link, whether Naira card or Sile or pounds or whatever card they want to make use to make the payment, they are going to charge them in USD, and you get your payment in your payments page on a PayStack dashboard. So I want a fixed payment amount on this page, collect phone number on this page, so you can check on all these. If you want a fixed payment, you have to enter the actual amount. In this regard, the people that want to pay you will not be able to make edit. Okay, but if you want the other options here, you have to collect phone numbers on this page. So this allow the prospective customer that want to pay you to type in the amount they want to pay, and they have to submit their phone number as well. At this point here, you can upload your business logo here, or if you don't want your logo, your business logo to be appeared here, that means they are going to put a default logo there, which is a PayStack default logo. Okay, you can come here and show advanced options. So under this show advanced option, you have the opportunity to redirect your prospective customer once they make payment. You can name your URL. You can name it digital marketing. Oh, sorry, you have to name them all together without space. Digital marketing. So it's too long. Let's see, digital market. It's not available. Okay, so digital market 2. Let's see it that way. So you have to keep trying until your URL is available, because a lot of people are using URL. So, and then you want to redirect them to class immediately, or you want to redirect them to your website. All you have to do is to copy and paste your URL link here. You want to give them a success message. You can say, thank you for joining. So you can send a notification to your to them once they make the payments. You can give a ID number, whatever words you want to add to all these things to make it more professional. You can do all this stuff, depends on what you are trying to do. So once you are able to fit all the necessary places, you have to come here and click on create. And PayStack is going to create your payment successfully. You can see your page has been created. Share your page link and to start receiving payment. So we can try to see the payment if it is actually correct. So you have to click on visit page here. So it's going to open up in a new tab. Then you see you can see our URL here, that paystack.com/pay/digital marketing 2, stuff like that. And then once they open it, this is how it's going to look when you send the payment link to whoever wants to pay you. So they fill in their name, the last name, email address, and their phone number. And here they will not be able to change the currency. It has been fixed to be in a USD payment. So they have to enter the amount they want to pay you. Finally, they click on pay now. So anywhere in the world, you will get your fund in USD payment. So this is just what I have for you guys on how you can successfully create a payment link using your PayStack without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.